Today, we'll guide you on how to share a PDF as a link. This is a convenient way to let people view, download, or print your PDF without sending the file directly. Steps to share a PDF link using Google Drive. Open your preferred web browser, Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge, Firefox, etc. Go to google.com. Sign in to your Google account if you haven't already. If you don't have an account, click Create Account and follow the prompts. Click Google Apps in the top right corner and select Drive. In Google Drive, click New File Upload. Locate your PDF on your computer and click Open to upload it. Once uploaded, click the folder icon to locate the file in Drive. Right-click the PDF, select Share. In the pop-up, under General Access, select Anyone with the link. This allows anyone with the link to access the file without manually adding emails. Click Copy Link. You can now paste this link in an email, message, or anywhere else to share your PDF. Recipients can view, download, or print the PDF directly from the link. If you found this guide useful, leave a like and consider subscribing for more tutorials.